Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we know about insert callouts in 2D drawings of SolidWorks. We create this part in 3D SolidWorks. This is a shaft with various diameter 22 mm and this step 18 mm dia, and here is 10 mm diameter with various length, and at this side here is a tapping of a machine thread. Without wasting time, let's create its 2D drawing. Select File, Make Drawing from Part. Select sheet format A3 ISO, OK. Select front view, right view, bottom view, and isometric view. We select isometric view from here. We select current view. OK. Now select this view. Select scale. Use custom scale. 2:1. OK. Arrange these views. Now select view layout, section view. Select its center point. OK. Now drag it. Just move it upward. OK. Now go to annotations, smart dimension. This length is 20 mm. At this step the length is 60 mm, and here again 20 mm. Diameter of this step 10 mm, diameter of this step 18 mm, and this step is 22 mm. Right click, select option. At section view, here is we can see its threading. This line is threading, cosmic thread. Now select this line, press right click button. Here select insert callout. Now it automatically picks which thread is it. Here is a emit machine thread. Now specify its length. Annotation, smart dimension. Select this line. This is 25 mm deep. Right click, select option. This drawing is completed. We can also specify its full length. Smart dimension. From here to here, this is 100 mm. Right click, select option. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.